Soft, wonderful cotton yarn combined with acrylic, which results in a lightweight and solid end product. Twister Solid is made 55% out of cotton and 45% out of acrylic. This is a sport yarn weight, so it weighs about 100 grams, that's 3.5 ounces, and it runs for about 400 meters, which is 437 yards. Now, the blend of cotton and acrylic is similar to our actually lovely color changing twister. Same content, just one colored. If you like twister, then the opportunities of making creative projects have just multiplied to infinity. Twister Solid is actually like a little helper, but a little more than that, because with this yarn on your needles and hooks, you can actually add either one colored edge to shawls or scarves, or create stripes with the Twister Solid so you can prolong the color transitions of the regular twister. You can knit and crochet a blouse or a cardigan in twister and add one colored sleeves or add a rib edge with the solid ones. The possibilities are just endless, and we really look forward to seeing what you guys will create with this yarn. Even though originally Twister Solid was thought of as an addition to Twister, why play second fiddle? Twister Solid is very well suited for blouses, for cardigans, and any other type of clothing. It does not have the same weight as 100% cotton, but it feels light and soft and comfortable against the skin. And last but not least, Twister Solid is absolutely ideal for kids' clothing, since you can actually wash it at 40 degrees Celsius. That's 104 Fahrenheit, meaning that your clothes can stay neater and cleaner for longer. So check out our popular Twister Solids in the link added in the description box, and I hope to see some of your beautiful creation in our customer gallery on our website.